Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here again, up in the northern part of Wisconsin, this time doing Rustic Road 98. Just down the road down that way, maybe about a mile or so, is Rustic Road, what was it? 71 or something like that? I think that's what it was. Anyway, just down that way is another Rustic Road, and since I was up here, I might as well do 98 as well. I am just off of Wisconsin Highway 35, south of Danbury, I think it's called, or Doonbury. But again, it's one of those things, I never get up here, ever. I don't think I've ever been around this whole area. And I've got Rustic Roads in front of me, so I'm going to ride them. So we are going to see what Rustic Road 98 has in store for us. Let's go ride. Alright guys, here we go. Rustic Road 98. Let's check it out. Did you guys see a speed limit sign? Because I didn't. As per my usual, I do not have any map on my phone telling me where to go. I'm more or less relying on street signs and just kind of what I remember of what the road is doing in my head. Whew. It's getting a little warm today. I think high is supposed to be up in the 80s. Yeah, but it's not that warm. Whoa, keep on your side of the road, dude. That's one of the things you gotta watch for on these back roads. They don't get traveled all that much, and people think they can use the whole road. So I am trying very hard to stay on my side of the road. I'm not going very fast because this seems like a very curvy road, very hilly. So I'm trying to keep it right around maybe 30, 35. Whew. Oh, that was a bump. I didn't even see it. Oh, look at these hills. Whee! It's like riding a little roller coaster. These type of hills are what my kids and I would refer to as tummy ticklers. Because if you hit them fast enough, you kind of drop down and your guts kind of float. And they tickle your tummy. And my kids would laugh. And so we always called these tummy tickler hills. Alright, this looks like a little sharper. I'm going to downshift. Whoa. Bit of sand and gravel in here, so yeah, glad I slowed down a little. So no sign to turn down that road, so we're not going to. And that's always a good sign. I like seeing those curvy road signs, but I noticed they did not put, whoa, I'm seeing a little bit of gravel. Little gravel, little sand. Never hurts to slow down. Gotta stay on my side of the road. Man, this is fun. Oh, more sand. At only 8.5 miles, something like that. I could do this over and over and over. That'd be fun. Now, I am noticing that they were giving me the curvy road sign, you know, the little squiggly one, but they did not put any speed for the curves. So that's why I'm being very cautious. Alright, I'm up to about 35. I'm in 4th gear just because I've kind of had a straightaway here. It's kind of one of those things with all the trees in the way, it's hard to judge, so I'm kind of coasting up into the curve, not knowing what to expect. Now you guys have a different advantage point up there. My viewpoint's a little bit lower. Huh. Like a nice little Sasquatch there. Well, the lending library over there. I'm actually surprised I'm not seeing more vehicles here. Got a bridge. Do we get a water view? Yes, yes we do. Oh, sorry. You guys are bouncing around there. All right. I take the curve here, but I don't have a stop sign. Oh, but I do have one here. And I will turn right again. Okay, I don't see anything coming. Alright, I just saw a 25-mile-an-hour sign. Yeah, skirting around a lot of little lakes here. Oh, we must be coming up to the boat landing, or the boat launch, whatever you want to call it. Yep, someone's pulling out. Looks like. Oh, that looks like a nice bar and grill right there. Oh, open doors. Got some nice houses over here. Look at these. Nice. Alright. I don't know if the speed limit went up after we went past that boat launch area. So I am doing about 30 miles an hour instead of doing 25. But as far as I know, it could have been 25 during the whole loop that we're doing. And yeah, that's basically kind of what this Rustic Road is, because we started off of State Highway 35 and we will end on State Highway 35. This is kind of a nice opening area. Trees are pushed back just a little bit farther, which is nice because around here you could always have a deer jump by. Or if you saw my part 2 of the camping video series, the 8-day camping videos, part 2, I actually saw a black bear, and I hope I caught it. I haven't seen the footage yet, but I hope I caught it. So yeah, even a black bear could all of a sudden come running out of these woods. nice places in here. A lot of these lands are primarily used for hunting. Man, this is steep. Roller coaster ride. Whee! Oh, what I was going to say though is a lot of these wooded areas are just hunting grounds for people. Yeah, I'm still doing about 30 miles an hour. I'm in third gear. What makes this hard is when you get the brush that's sticking out and blinding your view. Oh wow, now it really seems to open up. It's really bright and sunny down this little bit. This is nice. Tower Road. Not going down that one. Yeah, when you're going around some of those curves, you got so much foliage in the way, you know, tree branches and bushes and stuff kind of blocking your view of the curve, so it's kind of hard to judge how fast you can take it. Oh, nice little open prairie area. That's nice. That's a piece of land I wouldn't mind owning. Alright, I got an intersection here. I see no Rustic Road turning signs, so keep going straight. In this tunnel of trees effect. You know, the branches grow over the road, so you can't see that much of the sky. Man, those are some tall pines, aren't they? Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Okay, 30 mile an hour, and that's what I'm doing. Oh, look at that. They finally gave me a cautionary speed sign. Whoa! That's steep. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at that cautionary. Whoa. Apparently the curves are right here. Oh. See that big condor? Turkey vulture. There's a dead squirrel there. Looked like he was munching on it. Oh, here's a nice tight curve. Nice, 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 nice. I'm loving this road. You know, with the exception of the sand and rocks in the road, and that was on that first part that we were on, this has been amazing. All the twists and turns and the curves and the hills, the up and down, some small, some deep, some shallow, some steep. Oh. Just an all-around good road. It really is. Oh, got a rock quarry over here. All right, we got a turning sign, so we're going to turn right. It says Old 35, so I wonder if this used to be State Highway 35. And then when State Highway 35 was built, they renamed that and took this one off the state highway. See now, along here, look how far back those trees are off the road. That gives me a lot more confidence against something running out onto the roadway, you know, a deer or a bear or whatever. Where the stuff on this side, it's still really close. So I'm confident with this stuff. I'm not so confident with that stuff. So I'm riding more towards the side of the road. Oh, looks like we're coming up to the end here, guys. Yeah, with all that traffic, that's got to be State Highway 35. Oh, bump there. Yep, there you go. End of the Rustic Road. And this was Rustic Road, what was it, 98? Yeah, 98. Let me bring you guys in a little bit. So, that was an amazing road. I loved pretty much every aspect of it. About the only thing I didn't care for was the little bit of sand and rocks and stuff back on the first part of the road what we were on. But even back then, the hills were awesome. The curves were amazing. Just an all-around good time. Well, this is Mark saying thank you so much for watching. Always believe in yourself, heart, soul, mind, and body that you can go out and have your adventure. Bye, guys.